Hi there, I'm Sarah with WTI.
I got this amazing cat tree about a month ago, and I have to tell you how much my fur babies love it. I have two cats, one that we adore and one that we tolerate, and both of them are very happy with this new cat tree. As you can see, it's got lots of room where they can play, scratch, hide away, or just nap the day away. I love the soft material that it's made of, and I also love how sturdy it is. I've got a big boy orange cat, and he's got some heft to him. He's also got some orange cat syndrome, I think. He's a little rough on things, and this cat tree has stood up to all of his chunky self and his antics. By the way, he's the one that we adore. The reason I chose this cat tree was because of the cute food and water bowls built right into it. I also love that it has a storage shelf where I can keep cat food and treats and everything that my cats need, all in one place. I love that it has a hidey hole with two cabinet-style doors where you can put a soft blanket or a litter box. It comes with everything that we needed, all of the hardware. The only thing that I had to supply was a screwdriver. All the instructions were pretty easy to read, and I put it together all by myself. I'm not very handy, so it did take me about an hour to an hour and a half to get everything correctly installed, but when it was done, it was sturdy and beautiful. So if you're looking for an all-in-one cat organizing system, then you are going to love this cat tree.
And that's my point of view.